Out of those dangerous conditions last night, heavy rains and the storms that moved in really made it difficult, especially for those without a home.
Yeah, firefighters were able to rescue one woman from a flooded drainage ditch, but another person is still believed to be missing. The incident has further raised concerns about the city's homeless.
Yeah, it's left people asking, what is the city doing to clean up these camps and offer help? KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs went to get answers.
I wish I could help them. And I know they're suffering.
Vietnam War veteran Rudy doesn't like the attention, but he was still willing to talk with us about the homeless community that lives along this drainage ditch near Babcock and Lemming.
I see him every day, and especially the girl. She's usually hanging around the street.
Rudy says he happens to know of the woman officials say was sleeping when heavy rains flooded the canal and swept her away.
She appeared to be mentally challenged.
While firefighters were able to rescue the woman from the rushing waters, officials believe there might be another person missing.
I feel sorry for them.
Rudy says he's seen city crews out here several times before.
They clean it up. They do a pretty good job, but these people are faster than them.
The city of San Antonio's performed 442 homeless encampment abatements so far this fiscal year. The goal, 700 by October. These sites are deemed health and safety threats to the community. Cleanup priorities include camps near schools, neighborhoods, and drainage canals.
We are offering the connection to services. We have a robust homeless response system of shelter options.
But the city's Patrick Steck realizes not everyone on the streets may want help, at least right away. Meanwhile, nonprofits like Sam Ministries are working around the clock to build more permanent supportive housing for this vulnerable population.
So that's why we're consistently engaging with people to ultimately end their experience of homelessness. That's the long-term solution.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5.